Hey gang, welcome back to Inverted Pursuits Laboratory, and we're doing it again. We're sending 3D higher off the rail once more, but this time instead of a D, it is an E12 4 engine she's going to be flying on. We've got a light crosswind, so I may end up with her on my roof again, or hoping she'll just land in the backyard, but we'll go chase her. But let's get 3D higher off the pad here real quick and see what the altimeter comes out for this flight. All right, let's light this candle. This is 3D higher on an E12-4 in 3, 2, 1. Apogee and parachute. There we go. Undershoot. And coming pretty much straight back down. That is beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna land perfectly in the middle of the field, middle of my yard. I love it. Now we're gonna get a little close to those trees. Oh, perfect. We missed it. Let's go see what the altimeter reads. And just a reminder, 3D higher is a completely 3D printed rocket and a challenger in something I like to call the printer sprint. All right, we have an altitude of 553 feet. That is a personal best for me on a 3D printed rocket. If I can make sure I don't get that all tangled up. All right, so that's, guys, is 3D higher on an E12-4. So thanks for watching, gang. Hope you enjoyed. Please check out the last flight I did of 3D higher on a D12-3. And there will be more upcoming flights and information about 3D higher, so keep an eye out for those. But thanks for watching, gang.